Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Linux. Now, in this video, we're going to use on this microscope the filter wheel. Okay, it's a color filter wheel, usually used on telescopes. This is it. Okay, now it's already opened, so we're going to show you the inside. Okay, so it contains this, and those are the colors, the color filters. Okay, they are already installed. Okay, they're just like screws. They get installed like screws. Okay, so we want to show you like this one, for example. Okay, it's just the screws, as you can see, and we just simply, I don't want to unleash them. Okay, that is okay. I don't want to unscrew them, so they're just fine like as they are. Okay, and it's just a method to swap between and switch between the filters and the colors. Okay, and here we're going to close it. Okay, I'm going to install it right on the yeah. So we have this first. This is the cover. Okay, we make sure everything is screwed in the correct place in a way that you can find your finger like this going through. Okay, and the screws are here. Okay, this is the screwdriver. Okay, and just we have to close it. Okay, this takes a 1.25 inch eyepieces. Okay, seems that it should be the other way around. No problem. Okay. So the first screw is here. Don't lose them, they are small. Okay, the small screws. Okay, and let's see. Okay, correct. Trying to find the hole where the screw sits. Okay. Now it's better that you screw them diagonally, like this one, the one to the opposite. Okay, and the microscope that I have takes 23.2 millimeter eyepieces. This one takes the wheel, takes the telescope eyepieces of 1.25 inch. Now, yes, of course, I have an adapter that helps me in using the filter wheel on the microscope. Okay, and the filters they come from the Celestron. Celestron is a company that or manufacturer for telescopes. Okay, very well known, very famous. Okay, all people who mostly everyone who uses a telescope knows what's a Celestron. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, this is the Celestron kit, the 1.25 inch kit. Okay. So, and I pulled out the filters which are similar to this. Okay, I just installed whatever can be go in the filter wheel, because this is not made by Celestron, just one Chinese one, just works. Okay, but this filter did not go well inside it. It's just a matter of mis-threading, mis-screwing, like drilling. Okay, now this side takes the 1.25 inch eyepieces. Okay, so we can just simply pull any eyepiece from the kit. Okay. It has the wheel has this. This is a T2 adapter. This is a T2 adapter. This is a 1.25 inch. Now, because we are using a microscope, we'll have no. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is a very big mistake. This is a T1. This is a T. Okay, normal T. Okay, because it's a 1.25 inch. Okay. Now this is a T2. This is the smaller. The smaller one is a T2. Okay. Sorry for the mistake. So it's like this is the T2. Okay, and it has the threads here of the screw threads over here are M42. Okay, so let's go back and see my face a little bit. So we're going to install this like this. Okay. Now, all you have to do is, first of all, I have to tell you that I have here in the microscope a paper for the seat, okay, and we can just turn on the light like this so we can see whatever we want on this seat. We're gonna magnify it, okay, and here, okay, I'm going to install the filter wheel if it fits. If it does not fit, we have. Okay, it fits. It goes well. Okay, so that's all. Okay, now I have here the. Remove this first. Okay, this is the typical eyepiece for the microscope, but since we are using this filter wheel, okay, and it can take a wider type of eyepieces, why not? Okay, there is a converter, okay, or an adapter that lets those small eyepieces sit inside the 1.25 inch. Look for them. Okay, they are available online. Fine. So this is how things will look like. Okay. So this is what we are going to see. Okay, some of it. Okay. So here hanging now the phone. Okay, no problem. So I think we need some kind. Yeah, we have to open first the. It looks like that the camera image is not on the correct place. Okay, now we're good. Okay. Seems it needs focusing. Okay, that's good. Let's try now. Okay, now what we have to do is just trace the phone in order to get the complete view. So this is number 12. Okay. Okay, whatever. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we can zoom in if you want. Okay, and this is just colors. So if you want, you can just swap the colors. This is not colored, and this is not colored. This is in yellow. This is in pink or orange, whatever. Okay, some other color. Okay, another color. So you just simply swap as such. Okay, so easy. Okay. And that's how you change the colors using the filter wheel of a telescope using or on a microscope. Okay. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, okay, and understood how can we use the color filter on our microscope. I'll show you a better view. Okay, so this is all. that once. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know if you like this, but please tell us in the comments. Okay.